Hello, my friends. I have some amazing products to share with you today. One is so hot off the press, I don't even have my sample to show you. I know, isn't that crazy? Come on, we're so unprofessional around here. So when the dies come in, the prototypes come in, I test them, and then if I approve them, I send them off to my design team. Well, apparently I didn't keep a sample for myself. And as you know, any website orders are automatically are sent from Utah, and I'm in California. So I don't have a sample to show you, but I do have design team samples, and let me tell you, this one is a must-have. Now, I know a lot of you know and love the A2 size card bases that we have, and they're very important. And then we also have the Elegant Edge, which is this one, which is very important because it's awesome, and this one has drop-in dies. But guess what? The one I'm going to show you has drop-in dies that coordinate with this one. So if you have this one, you're going to have even more shapes. What do I mean? I mean these little guys here. So the bow, the flower, the hello, the heart are going to drop in to the die I'm going to show you next. Are you ready? It's a different card base. So for example, this one has the fun edge, the fun elegant edge right here. This one has an we're calling this ribbon edge. Look at how gorgeous that is. Look how fun that is. It's at the bottom. It makes an A2 size card, so it's right there at the bottom. And when you open it up, it's gorgeous. Now, it has its own drop-in big pieces. It has the dot swirl or a different swirl than the Elegant Edge, which is really fun. And it has different drop-in options. So for example, it has this, hang on, I want to make sure I'm doing this right. It has this flower, this dot heart. Here's another sample. Look at the swirl. Look how fun this swirl is. So it's a different swirl. Let me show you the original, the Elegant, because I want you to know that this is all totally different. Ooh, if I can get it out. Ooh, okay. Here is the Elegant Edge one. It has a leaf pattern and a different swirl than these. So this swirl is different, so isn't that fun? And the drop-in pieces in the middle will drop in separately. Here's one without using drop-in pieces, which is really fun, just using that fun edge. Here's one doing the drop-in on the ribbon edge on the side, which is really fun. Here's, oh, that's an extra one. I'm getting all mixed up today. Here is, oh, so what they did was they didn't use it right there in the bottom. They cut it up and used it in the middle. Oh, here's a cute, I love that Halloween set. That's my favorite set. And then here's with the little swirls. And here's another one. So now, you know, I always, and if you've taken one of my classes, you hear me say this all the time, or if you've watched a lot of my videos, I want you to go use things you've already bought from me again. And so what I've done is I've made it so those items work in this item, because I always want you to mix and match. Everything goes together. I want you to mix and match this from over here and over here, and I want you to be extra creative because now you have two for the price of one. Well, it's two for the price of two, but they intertwine, they match. So that makes it even more fun. And that fun ribbon edge, isn't that adorable? I love it. It's gorgeous. So that is the ribbon edge die, and it's an A2 size card base, which is fantastic. Now, another item I have to share with you today is Happy Thanksgiving. We always need Happy Thanksgiving dies, and here's a fun one with our little pilgrims. Imagine sending out this little invitation for everyone to come to your house for Thanksgiving. Here we have the little turkey pudgy, we have the little girl and the little boy, some pumpkins added, and that big Happy Thanksgiving. Of course, it comes with the shadow die. Here's another one, which is really funny because, Christine made this one and Catherine made this one, and they didn't even talk about it before they made them, but those are looking pretty similar, aren't they? Isn't that funny? It's funny how sometimes great minds think alike. Now, to go along with this die set, we also have a new stamp set all about fall. We needed leaves. I've gotten asked so many times in the booth when I see you, we need leaves, we need leaves. Well, we had leaf dies. Guess what? Now they have stamps that match. Isn't that awesome? So you already have these. Chances are you already have these leaf dies. But now you have leaves that have the solid and the outline, and it says thankful for you, and wait till you see my samples. So now you have stamps to match your dies. Here is a gorgeous one. Isn't that fun? Oh, look how cute this one is. Happy fall with our tree stamp. Ooh, look at this one. Isn't that gorgeous? Thank you. I love that one. Catherine, I love this one. This is gorgeous. I love those blue. It looks like the leaves are in the wind, don't they? Like they're flying in the wind. Ooh, look how pretty this one is with gold ink. I love that. Oh, and here's a cute one. Thanks. Our thanks stand up. Remember our words stand up? Isn't that fun? Thanks. And with those stamps and stamps down below. I love it. Now, club members, of course you get the club discount on these products. If you're not in the club, what are you waiting for? Christmas? Well, guess what? Christmas is almost here. If you join in the month of October 2019, you're getting that extra freebie stamp die set that says Season's Greetings in your kit. So it's kind of like a really good time to join. So join the Die Hard Club, $24.90 a month, and you get a 15% discount on anything else we have. Club members, I hope to see you again soon. Everybody else, I hope to see you again soon. If I went too fast, don't worry, go to our online gallery. All of these items, did you know every stamp product or every die product we have has a video and it has an idea gallery? Go check it out, get some inspiration and get creative. Thank you so much and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.